Welcome back to Vadiya's Kitchen. Today I have come with another recipe, that is cucumber raita. You see, for this we need a small cucumber and we need some curd. This is beaten curd, okay? And little bit salt, 2 small green chilies, some dhania pata means coriander leaves, and this is cumin seeds roasted and powdered. And this is chaat masala, and this is little bit pepper powder. Let us see how we are going to make it. Let us start preparation. First of all, we have to cut the top and the bottom part of the cucumber and take out the bitterness from here. Like this, when we do, all the bitterness will come out. You know, the some of the cucumbers are bitter feeling we will get. For that reason only we are taking out. Then we will peel out. Peel the cucumber. I have peeled the cucumber. Now I will start grating in a small bowl. I will start grating. You can cut also in small pieces. You can cut. That is up to your wish. Now I am grating here in very fine pieces. Now I have grated the cucumber. Now I will add the curd in this. You see the consistency. You can increase the thickness or you can decrease the thickness by adding little bit of water. This is according to your wish. See, I love cucumber raita. I am adding little bit more. Now this consistency, I think it is okay for me, and we have only 3 members, so we have only this is enough for us. Now I am adding all the masalas here. I am putting the chaat masala, I am putting the pepper powder and the cumin seeds powder. I will mix it well. It's up to you how much quantity you have to add up all these ingredients. That is up to you. You can add more, less. I am adding little bit curd here. Okay, this consistency is okay for me. Now I will cut the green chilies. You see, I will cut the green chilies. First of all, I will slit it and I will take out all the seeds from here, because the children will not like when the seeds are there. So I will take out the seeds, then I will cut into very small pieces and I will add that. I will now cut into very thin pieces. I have taken out all the seeds from the green chilies and I am adding only the green part. I am adding this. Now I will add some coriander leaves. You see, the salt I will add only when I start serving. Otherwise what will happen? It will become more and more watery type. So this is the consistency of the raita is ready now. We can serve with biryani and vegetable pulao, or with even chapatis and all. You will love it, or even with a normal rice also you will love it. I hope everybody will like it. Please like, share, comment and support our kitchen, that is Vadiya's Kitchen.